Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create funny face effects in DaVinci Resolve. And yes, this works in the free version. So first, with your clip already in the timeline, head over to the Effects panel. Under OpenFX, search for the tool called Dent. If you can't find it, click the three dots in the top right corner of the panel and enable Show Legacy Resolve FX. Once that's on, you'll see the Dent option appear. Now, drag the dent effect onto your clip. Next, go to the inspector panel and change the dent type to type 2. From here, you can move the dent around to wherever you want. I usually keep it just under the nose to get that classic funny look. You can adjust the size and strength sliders to exaggerate the effect however you like. Want a giant forehead? Just place the dent near the top of the head and tweak the size. There's also another way to distort faces. To do this, I will first disable the dent effect, then go into the Fusion tab. Press Ctrl plus space to open the tool search and type in Grid Warp. Add it to your node graph. Now with Grid Warp added, you'll see a mesh appear over your clip. You can click and drag these grid lines to stretch or squash specific parts of the face, like pulling the eyes wider, making the mouth huge, or even warping the forehead. Just have fun experimenting with it. And that's it, 2 easy ways to add some humor to your video using just DaVinci Resolve.